Welcome to our factory. Today, I'll show you exactly how orange juice is made, step by step. Don't forget to subscribe for more behind-the-scenes videos like this.
Keep the line moving, and we have a big shipment today.
We're almost through this pallet.
The oranges are washed thoroughly inside the orange juicer cleaning system. Orange juicer sorting machines separate every orange by size and quality.
This is where orange juicer preparation begins, inside the modern production line. Orange juicer extraction machines press fresh oranges into rich, flavorful juice. Inside orange juicer, every orange is pressed for maximum fresh juice. Orange juicer blends the juice carefully for smooth texture and balanced taste.
Technicians monitor orange juicer systems to maintain perfect balance and quality.
Fresh orange juice flows through sealed pipelines to the next processing stage.
This is the heart of orange juicer processing, where flavor and quality are perfected.
Orange juicer is gently pasteurized to keep it fresh and safe to drink.
Advanced orange juicer filters create a clean and smooth final texture. The smooth texture of orange juicer is perfected during the blending process. Orange juicer is cooled carefully to preserve freshness and natural flavor.
Orange juicer bottles are filled quickly using high-speed automated systems. Every orange juicer bottle receives the exact amount for perfect consistency. Orange juicer bottles are sealed instantly to lock in freshness and flavor. Each orange juicer bottle is labeled and coded before packaging begins.
The alignment on this batch seems slightly off. See the readout?
Yes, I noticed that too, but the seal integrity is holding up.
Advanced scanners ensure orange juicer meets strict quality and safety standards. Orange juicer samples are tested to guarantee freshness, taste, and consistency. Finished orange juicer products are prepared carefully for global distribution. Orange juicer shipments leave the factory daily for stores and customers worldwide.
And that's how orange juicer is made. From fresh oranges to a refreshing drink.
This video by Next Inside Process contains AI-generated visuals created for educational and documentary purposes.